Coming to equivalent resistance, we are using total number of resistance, n number of resistance. All resistance are connected in series connection. Now see this one. We have R1 is there and R2 is there. Okay. We are using number of resistance that all number of resistance are connected with a single line. This type of connection is called as series combination circuit. That series combination circuit is consisting of number of resistance more than one. That's called more than one. But in this circuit, we are using how many resistance? Number of resistance. R1 is there and R2 is there up to so on. We have Rn is there. These are all connected with a single line. This type of connection is called as series combination of circuit. Okay, now what is the resultant of this circuit? That is a target for this topic, that is called equivalent resistance. Now, in this series connection, what is the formula? Simply you have to say it is a combination of all summation of all values. Summation of all values, that is R1 plus R2 up to so on Rn. Okay, this is a formula for series combination, and these are formula for which combination? It is a parallel combination. Why? Because the all resistors are connected with different lines. In this circuit, we are using total number of resistors, n number of, that all are connected with the parallel connection. This is a parallel combination of circuit. Already we discussed in last class. And we know the formula for parallel combination, that is 1 by R equal to, that is nothing but 1 by RT equal to, what is RT? RT is nothing but total resistance. That is our target. Equivalent resistance is nothing but the total resistance of a given circuit. That is our target. Okay, now? Now see, these two are parallel and these three also parallel. These three also, why? Because all are connected with different lines. All are connected with different lines. Now, see the next slide. Now, what is the formula for parallel combination? Already we discussed 1 by RT equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. These are our parallel formula. Yes. Now you have to see the another formula for parallel combination. Whenever the two resistors are given, you have to write this formula also. Only for two resistors, not for three resistors. If you are taking three resistor, just you have to add 1 by R3. 1 by R3. This is the best suitable formula for parallel combination. For two resistors, you have to mention this formula. Okay, these for two combinations, and this formula for number of combinations, more than two. More than two. Okay, now what I am saying, just I am explaining about formula for series combination, parallel combination. That's it. These are the two important formulas for series combination, parallel combination. Now coming to problems. Yeah, this is a combination of series connection and parallel connection. By using this circuit diagram, you have to write the total value. What is the total value of resistors? Total we have how many resistors? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total we have 5 resistors are there. By using these 5 resistors, you have to write the total one equivalent resistance. That is the thing, but what is the total resistance of given circuit? That is your target. These type of questions are maybe asked in your examination. Okay, this is a 5 marks examination question. Just see this one. Now, where is the arrow mark? This arrow mark is called as, that is the total resistance. That arrow mark will be mentioned in left side of the diagram. Okay, that equivalent resistance equal to, or total resistance equal to. Now see, yeah, first see, is a given circuit. This type of circuits are given in your examination. Now, what is the question? To find the equivalent resistance by using given values. Actually the values are not mentioned, but in your examination the examiner will be asked some values. For example, r1 equal to 3 ohms, r2 equal to 1 ohm, r3 equal to something value, r4 something, r5 something. These type of values are can be represented in your examination. Now what is our target? Just you have to find the equivalent resistance. What is the equivalent resistance? That is nothing but total resistance. Now these total 5 resistors is converted into a single resistance, that is called your target. That is your target in this question. Okay. And now the arrow mark will be given in left side of the diagram. Now you have to come from right side of the diagram. Now what is the right side? This is the right side one. This is the left side one. This is the left side and this is the right side. Yes. Now arrow mark will be given in left side of the diagram. Now you have to find the total circuit to reduce the circuit from the right side. Okay, you are starting from right side. Now this is the next slide. See this one. Okay, find the equivalent resistance. That is your target. The total number of resistance. The total number of resistors is converted into a single resistance. That is called your target. Now this is a question. Now what is the target? To find the equivalent resistance. That is our target. Total we have 5 resistors. Simply you have to say it is converted into one resistance. That is our target. This is a question. Now coming to answer. From right side, these two are series connection or parallel connection?
Parallel connection, sir.
Parallel connection.
Parallel.
Parallel, sir, parallel.
Yeah, parallel connection. From this parallel connection, what is the formula? We have two resistors. That's why I'm saying
1 by R2 is
R1
equal
R2
to
by
1 by R1 plus 1 by
right.
R2.
We have to say another formula also for two resistors. That is nothing but we have another formula.
R1 R2 by R1 plus
R1
R2.
That is a product by sum. Product by sum. This is a combination of which combination? Parallel combination for two resistors only, not for three resistors. In this given diagram, only to have two resistors. That's why I'm saying this is a formula for Rx equal to R4 plus R5 by R4 plus R5. Now we get one resistance is there, na? That resistance is connected with R3. Is this clear? Simply I have to say the total R4, R5 is negligible by using another resistance. That resistance is called as Rx. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually this is a first problem. If you are very familiar with this first problem, you have to easily find the all resistance values. What I am saying, just you have to avoid the two resistors with the one resistance by using some parallel combination formula. Okay, by using some parallel combination formula. Now what is the Rx value? We have some Rx value. Actually ఇక్కడ values mention చేయలేదు కాబట్టి no need to worry. Values mention చేస్తే we get something value. That value is now connected with this one. Okay, these total is negligible. These total are negligible. These two are negligible. Simply you have to say one Rx value. That Rx is series with which one? R3. Yeah, okay, right. Thank you. This circuit is comes from the picture from the given above diagram. Now these two resistors are parallel connection or series combination?
Series.
Series,
Series.
series
Series. Why?
combination.
These two are in
Same
series
line, sir.
combination. These two are in comes
Same
under
line.
series combination. Now what is the series combination formula? Formula. What is the formula for series combination?
R1 plus R2.
Plus R2 plus R3.
That is the addition of the two resistors. What is the two resistance values? R3 is there and Rx is there. That's why I'm writing Ry equal to Rx plus R3. In this diagram, we are mentioning some R values, but in your examination, the examiner will be asked some values, that is 3, 4, 5, C up to so on. Okay, we get something value from the previous circuit. For sir, actually from this above circuit we get Ry value. That Ry is written in this circuit, in this third circuit. Okay. For every step, you have to write the circuit, you have to draw the circuit, and what is the formula and what is the value for every step. Actually, you have to draw the first given circuit, and this is second step, and this is the third step. Okay, the first step is you have to redraw the diagram of given circuit. This is the second step for this question. This is the third step. What is the third step? Just you have to say it is a combination. Which type of combination? Series combination. That's why I'm writing Ry equal to Rx plus R3. This is the second step. This is the third step. The first step is given diagram. Okay. Now coming to fourth step. What is the fourth step? Anyone expect?
RZ equals to sir.
Very good. Rz equal to these two combinations. Yes.
Ry plus R2,
Now
sir.
these two are the parallel combination. What is the formula for parallel combination?
R2 into R.
R2
RZ is equal to R2 plus Ry.
Right. R2 into Ry by R2 plus Ry.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now this is next step. See this one. R2 into Ry by R2 plus Ry. We get something Rz value. Now come to next second diagram. This is the fourth step. This is the fifth step. Okay. Now tell me, these two are series combination or parallel combination? R1 and R
Series, sir.
Sir,
series combination.
Series combination.
From the pi resistance, we get some resistance value, the total resistance value. That is your okay. It is clear or not? If you have any doubt,
Sir, once you explain, sir.
okay,
Fourth,
right.
fourth and fifth.
Okay, right, no problem. Actually, from this third step, these two are parallel combination. That is nothing but R2 and Ry. What is the R2 and Ry formula? Rz equal to R2 into Ry by R2 plus
R2
Ry.
plus RY.
This is the formula for from third step, I think.
Yes.
That will be fourth step. Fourth step is called Rz equal to R2 into Ry by R2 plus Ry. From this formula, we get Rz value. Okay. And the next step, these two are combination. Which combination? Series combination or parallel combination?
series.
Combination.
Now, in between this junction, is a simple node or a principal node?
Simple
Simple
node.
node.
Simple.
We are not considered simple node. We are not considered simple node. That's why I'm saying these two combinations are comes under series combination because of simple nodes are negligible, avoided in our circuit subject. Okay, that's why I'm saying these two are series connection. What is series connection formula? R equivalent equal to Rz plus R1 because of these two are series combination. That is our target. This is the equivalent resistance of your given circuit. We have only single circuit, single resistance. This is called single resistance. That is the R equivalent or RT. Both are same. This is the fourth step and this is the fifth step. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Now come to problem. Now.
4 into 1, 4 na. 1 into something, always something na.
Coming to problem. Find the equivalent resistance by using total 5 resistors. I'm giving some values for R1, R2, and R3, and R4, and R5. Now tell me, these 5 resistors are converted into single resistance by using series and parallel combination. And I think we know the formula for what is series combination, what is parallel combination formulas. And tell me how to start this circuit diagram. The arrow mark is left side. Now you have to start from
Right side.
Right side. Now tell me, what are the two resistors? These two resistors are parallel combination, series combination.
Parallel.
All right. What's the formula? 3 into 6 by 3 plus 6.
18 by
2, sir, answer.
18 by 9. That is 2. Yes?
Yes, sir.
By using these two resistors, we have some resistance value by using parallel combination formula that is called 2 ohms. They have made 2 ohms. Sir, actually, this is
sir.
symbol of ohm, sir. Resistance value ohm. Okay.
Two
Every
ohms.
step you have to mention that units also. If you are not mentioning the units value, minimum 1 mark is reduced from the total marks. Okay, right. In first step, I think all of you clear. These two are series parallel combination. Write the parallel combination formula. That is this one.
Yes, sir.
Who is there? Na? 2.
Yes, sir.
2 is series with which one?
8 ohms.
8. These two is series with 8. That's why I'm saying next step. It is which combination?
Series
Series
series.
combination.
Series combination. This is the second step. This is the third step. In the series combination, we get 8 plus 2. That is 10. 10 is
10.
there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 10 is there. So actually, one step is missing in between second step and third step. Anyone guess? In between second step and third step, one step is missing.
Yes, sir. Parallel combination.
Parallel combination.
Parallel
10
is
into 10 by 10 plus 10.
10 into 10 by 10
100 by
plus 10.
20.
That is 100 by 20. What is 100 by 20?
5, sir. 5
5 is
ohms.
there, na?
5.
Right. It's called 5.
Five.
Now the
5 ohms,
total
sir.
5 resistance is series with which one? 10.
15 ohms, sir.
Right. That's 15 ohms. I think all of you clear from this example.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Thank you so much.